Hi guys, Mr. Beckett here. This week's Star of the Week theme is all about PE in school sport. I'd like to start off by saying a huge thank you to everyone who took part in our virtual sports day and the school games day too. We really do have such a great team here at Drummock, and that includes parents, coaches and the wider community. It was lovely to see so many of you getting involved in sport and having fun at home and in school. I want to start this week's theme with some inspirational quotes from some of sport's biggest stars. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships, by Michael Jordan, American basketball star. Sportsmanship for me is when a guy walks off the court and you really can't tell whether he won or lost, when he carries himself with pride either way. Jim Courier, former American world #1 tennis player. I never thought about losing, but now that it's happened, the only thing is to do it right, by Muhammad Ali, a boxing legend. So, what is sportsmanship? Sportsmanship is based around respect and everyone involved in a sport. Spectators can show good sportsmanship too. So which is better, being a sore loser? A sore loser is negative, unpleasant, a bad team player, and they often feel angry, boastful and mean. Or being a good sport. And a good sport is helpful, encouraging, a good team player. They feel proud, happy and helpful. I certainly know which one I would rather be. So, how can we all be good sports? Well, to be a good sport, you must always try your best. Say well done to people who play well or win. Be gracious whether you win or lose. Use any disappointments as a motivation to win next time. Enjoy playing the game, whether you're winning or losing. It should be fun. And also to play fair. So I'm going to show you a video now, and I want you to watch out for any of the good sporting behaviours that we've talked about so far.
Belici looking for his first senior world medal, and he has got the job done. Bronze medal, 6-1, Turkey earns it.
Now he can barely cross the finish line.
I think the medics should just go there.
Should rush quickly to his aid. That's the spirit. Crossing the finish line. You can crawl. You can do whatever, but just cross the finish line. And what spirit? Sportsmanship to the highest order. And now,
oh, this is lovely.
Wonderful.
This is what sports should be all about. This is what sports should be all about.
tap crash.
Yeah, Kim. Good boy. Good job. Hey, JC. Great pass, babe. Let's go. Oh! Let's go, man. Come on. Oh!
Uh-oh, Darren. It's Cruz Hewitt. Cruz Hewitt on. Come on. Great stuff, Cruz.
Yeah. Got him.
Let's get out of here.
Dirt with the shot. And with 2.1, that's how far we are from getting out of here.
There in Edmonton wearing your jersey. So what does Alex do? Goes and gets a hockey stick, one of his, gives it to the kid. Check out that smile.
Finish. I knew he was gonna do that. You missed your highlight. I still can't get no carries. seconds. Number third, here's James with a long three. It's good! Able to close the quarter just as they did in the first two.
So please send in or tweet any pictures or videos of the children and adults playing sport while demonstrating how to be a good sport this week. And most of all, have fun. Speak to you again soon.